we won. I'm really happy. Before it was necessary for us before the last game in championship. Of course, it was a little bit drama, and I can imagine that players of Croatia are really disappointed. They had already the chance to be in the next step, but it's a football. It's a football. I suppose that the pitch was not good for them, but I think that it was his advantage because they are playing at home. They know this. For us, it was completely new.
Kaip matėm, vyko be kompromisė kova, atrodo ir pavedėm. Kaip sakant, buvom pasiekę mums teigiamą rezultatą. Aš galvoju, kad būtumėm, jei kamuolys nebūtų sustojęs baloje, būtumėm pavedę 2-0, aš galvoju, kad būtumėm išsprendę, kaip sakant, tą užduotį, bet dabar skaudu, aišku, gauti įvartį 90 minutę ir prarasti viltis, kovoti dėl taurės viską.
What can you say about Brzezińskas, Zagorskas, Krasnovskis?
I'm really satisfied. I'm really satisfied. Of course, Brzezińskas was a little bit late regarding last chance for Croatia. But from the other side, in the first half, in the beginning of the game, he saved the really difficult ball. It was always important for him, for the team on the beginning of the game when he reacted correctly and perfectly. So regarding Zagorskas, Krasnovskis, looking at them from this point, from this side, that they hadn't too much chance to play. I think that his performance today was really, really good. They fight, and I'm really satisfied.
Vyram aš neturiu priekaištų, stengiasi, kovoja. Žodžiu, reiškia, fortuna buvo ne mūsų pusėje. Aišku, ir patogiau antrų numerių, bet ir patiems žaidėjams motyvacija, aš galvoju, papulti į pusfinalį. Kažkas, kaip sakant, žiūrint į kitą sezoną, Europos taurės, dabar, kaip sakant, palikom be nieko.